The Clever Rabbit and the Hidden Wisdom. On the edge of a sprawling forest, there lived a wise old rabbit named Haru. Unlike other rabbits who spent their days nibbling on grass and hiding from predators, Haru was known for his cleverness and ability to solve the most perplexing problems. Animals from far and wide came to seek his counsel. One moonlit night, Haru heard rumors of a sinister wolf named Kael who had entered the forest. Kael was no ordinary predator. He was cunning, strong, and took pleasure in tormenting his prey. The forest was in turmoil. Birds stopped chirping, deer moved in herds, and even the fearless fox avoided the deeper woods. Determined to restore peace, Haru devised a plan. But first, he needed to test Kael's cunning. The next morning, Haru ventured to a clearing near Kael's lair, deliberately leaving paw prints that led straight to a hollow tree. Inside the hollow, he placed a note that read, "Only the wisest can see the truth beyond the obvious. Follow the clues if you dare." Kael, curious and confident, found the note and scoffed. "A rabbit challenging me? This should be entertaining." The first clue directed Kael to a nearby stream where Haru had left another note under a smooth stone. It read, "True strength is not in force but in patience. To the willow tree you must go." Kael, frustrated by the chase but intrigued, followed the trail to the willow. There he found yet another note. "What you seek lies within. To understand, you must look beyond yourself." Kael's pride wavered, but his greed kept him moving. The final clue led him to a deep cave. Inside, a faint glow emanated from a hidden corner. Kael padded forward, his heart racing. To his surprise, he found not treasure but a pool of water. The glow came from fireflies reflected on the surface. Above the pool, Haru's voice echoed, "The reflection you see is your greatest enemy, yourself. Your greed, arrogance, and hunger for control will destroy you, Kael." Enraged, Kael lunged at his reflection, splashing into the cold water. As he scrambled out, he realized Haru had lured him deep into the part of the forest where a tribe of badgers, known for their fierce defense, resided. The badgers surrounded Kael. "You've trespassed for the last time," their leader growled. Kael, soaked and humiliated, fled the forest, never to return. Haru, watching from a distance, smiled. The forest was safe once more, and its creatures learned an important lesson. True wisdom lies not in strength, but in understanding one's weaknesses and using intellect to overcome challenges. From that day on, Haru's reputation grew, not as just a clever rabbit, but as the guardian of the forest's harmony.